Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Country Delight membership freaks you out with lots of offers. As you see here, not only 4+4 free milk offer, you have free products and 99 rupees store and membership discounts plus 40% off. As you see here, we have saved 2555 for taking membership of 400 rupees. So let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, we have ordered some grocery on Country Delight, and all these products we have got on offer prices. You can enjoy the offer prices of Country Delight when you take membership of 400 rupees. As you see here, this is poha. It's thick poha. It's good for health, and we got it for just 20 rupees. You can see the brown sugar. You all know it's a better substitute for sugar. Okay, let me tell you, Country Delight is branded for its milk products, but then a grocery section is added up or launched on Country Delight, where you can check quality products on Country Delight. Here comes low malai milk. You can check out. You have lassi. This is mango lassi. You can enjoy the flavor. It seems, sugar free and homemade in taste. Here you can see 3 flavors of chips. You can add up any of other flavors if you want in your cart. It comes with no artificial preservatives and no added colors, and uses only sunflower oil while making chips. As you see here, you can enjoy the offer as 1+1 or 2+3 offer. They seem pretty crunchy and crispy, and taste is heavenly. You have this hot spicy chips. Please do check out that. You will enjoy the spicy or the pungent taste of those chips. You have here creamy potato chips with onion flavor. It's yum, and you can taste them for sure. Next we have taza paneer. It's a good quality paneer. You will enjoy. Next we have homemade curd. As the name says, as homemade, and it is so in taste and quality. You will enjoy. So you have lots of varieties of products on Country Delight. Not only milk, you can enjoy curd or dairy products plus grocery. Here comes idli dosa batter. As you see here, it's stone grounded, 100% natural ingredients, and RO water is used. If you're making dosa, you can add little salt and water and put dosa and enjoy the authentic flavor of dosa. You can make instant dosa, as you see in the picture. Whenever you feel like having dosa or crave for it, you can go for this idli dosa batter on Country Delight. Not only dosa, you can have idli also. You see here, it seems pretty crispy and crunchy. Now we'll check out how to get membership on Country Delight and enjoy offers. As you see in the picture, you can go to Country Delight app. For new users, you people have got free membership. You can enjoy free membership. But others or the existing users, you can buy membership at rupees 400. As you see in the picture, you can click on join VIP as shown on the picture, and first check with the membership benefits of VIP, and come back and click on buy membership. Just say confirm and pay 400 rupees. Then your membership will be activated. You can come back and check with the morning delivery or instant delivery. When you go for instant delivery, you have top deals and BOGO offer. On Country Delight, you can check out and enjoy these offers, and you have membership benefits. As you see in the picture, you can go to morning delivery and check with 99 rupees store. Again, buy one get one free offers, as you see here, are available. And you can check out the flash hour deals and the free products. As you see here, you have free products, free veggies or any other free products are available. Here you can add to cart free product or free veggies as you wish. Sometimes it may be a conditional free product offer. As you see here, it is asking me to add up products worth 189 rupees to get free sugar. Once you does that, you can go to view cart. Here you can add up free product. You can click on claim and add free product sugar. After you does that, once you check whether free sugar or free product is added to your order, then click on confirm order and check out. That's it, done. So in this way you can enjoy offers, free bounties exclusively for Country Delight VIP members, right? And you can check out with the recharge offers as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.